I'll guide you through accessing your Cash App balance instantly without losing money to that painful 1.75% instant transfer fee or the $2.50 ATM charge. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, the absolute free way. When cashing out, choose the standard bank transfer option. This is the only 100% free transfer to your bank, though it takes 1 to 3 business days. The second free way is to use your cash card and request cash back at any major retailer checkout. This gets you physical cash in hand immediately, with no Cash App fees. Simply select debit at the payment terminal and enter your PIN when prompted to request the desired cashback amount. Another way is while using the ATM. To get unlimited ATM withdrawals for 31 days without fees, set up a monthly direct deposit of $300 or more into your Cash App account. To do this, open the Cash App and navigate to the Money tab. Use the Find an ATM map feature. This shows you the free in-network ATMs near your location that will not charge you any fees when you use your cash card. Remember to always select Standard to avoid the costly instant transfer fee. And a crucial warning, never fund a payment using a linked credit card, as this triggers a steep 3% fee. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payments video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.